Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Maggi noodles without any vegetables, step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need just 1 packet of Maggi noodles and 1 cup of water. Make sure you also have a small saucepan and a heat source ready to go. It's a quick and easy meal to prepare. Now that you have everything ready, let's start cooking. Begin by pouring 1 cup of water into your saucepan. Place the saucepan on your heat source and bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is bubbling vigorously, carefully place the entire noodle cake into the boiling water. This is the first step to softening them. With the noodles in the water, it's time to add that signature flavor. Open the small seasoning sachet that came with your noodles and sprinkle all of its contents directly over the softening noodles. Stir everything gently to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed throughout. Let it cook for exactly 2 minutes, stirring occasionally until most of the water is absorbed and the noodles are tender. Your delicious Maggi noodles are now ready. Once the noodles are tender and most of the water has been absorbed, remove the saucepan from the heat. Carefully transfer the hot, cooked noodles into your favorite serving bowl. There you have it, a quick, satisfying, and flavorful meal, perfect for when you want a simple, comforting dish without any added vegetables. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.